Good morning children. Today let's see subtraction with regrouping. Okay, let's minus 59,741 and 30,865. So always remember in subtraction you write the bigger number first. So here already bigger number only is given first, but in any case, suppose if it is given subtract from, then sometime the smaller number would have been given first. So that time you must keep in mind always that you write the bigger number first. Okay, and whenever it is given like that, you will arrange the numbers in order. That means in its place, ones in ones place, tens in tens place, like that. No, you will arrange from the right to left. You will arrange all the digits. Then only you will do the calculation. So you have to show all the steps, not just writing the answer. Some of them you also arrange. Without arranging you cannot minus, you cannot do the calculation properly. So you do it in the rough work, then you come and write only the answer here. See what is given, the marks are given for the steps. So why are you wasting your marks by writing in the rough? The same thing you are going to do here. So do that one, the main page, and do all the steps and write the answers. Don't just write only the answer here. Okay, so let me arrange the numbers in order. So first number we can write it from right to left or left to right. There is no problem. When you write the second number, you have to be careful. If they have the same number of digits, you have no problem. But suppose one is having 5 digits, another one is having 3 digits, then you will have a problem. Okay, so better the second number you write from the right to left. Okay, so this 30,865 I am going to write from the right to left. So ones place I am arranging again tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So I have arranged, and this is subtraction. So put the subtraction symbol. Let's minus here. This is regrouping, that is borrowing. No, you are going to borrow. See, if you see the number in ones place, the minuend has, that means the bigger number here, it has 1 and the subtrahend has 5. So if you compare that, this 1 is small and this 5 is big. So you cannot minus from small to big. You cannot minus. So you have to borrow from the next digit. So always you can borrow from the left side digit only. You cannot borrow from the right side digit. Since ones place has no right side digit, so you have no problem. But suppose if it is in hundreds place, you have the digits in right side also, left side also. There you will have a problem. So always remember, you will borrow from the left side only. So here left side tens place we have 3. So from here 1 we will borrow. So if you borrow 1, so here what will remain? Only 3 will remain. 1 we have given from 4, so 3 will remain. So what we have borrowed, that just come here. Okay, here already 1 is there. So what we have borrowed 1, it is here on the left side. Okay, so it comes what? 1, 10 come here. So 10 is coming. So 10 plus 1, 11. That is the definition. But you can take it like the one you are borrow. Always you will borrow 1. You will not borrow more than 1. So when you borrow 1, just you write that 1. You write just on the left side of the number what is here. What is in this place. Okay, so 11 minus 5, 6. So now if you see here, we have 3 in minuend and subtrahend we have 6. So this is small and this is big. You cannot minus, so you will borrow. So you can borrow only to the right side. So when you borrow here right side, here 7 is there in hundreds place. So if you borrow 1, 6 will remain. So what you have got 1, that you write here. So this becomes 13. So 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, you will get 7. Okay, now next in hundreds place if you see, minuend has 6, subtrahend has 8. So this is small, this is big. So you cannot minus. So you will borrow from the thousands place. So in thousands place we have 9. So from 9 if you give 1, so 8 will remain. So what we have got 1, that we write it here. So now this becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. And next one, here we have 8 and here we have 0. So if you minus 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, so here 8 we have, so 8 only will be the answer. Okay, next here 5 and here 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is 28,876. This is the answer. Okay, so when you subtract in borrowing, you have to be careful. Okay, let's see the next sum. Subtract 46,527 from 90,008. See here. See, if you observe here, the bigger number is given second and the small number it is given in the first. Okay, so always I told you to write the bigger number first. So this number only you will write first, then you will write this number second and you will minus. Another one, you can remember the word from. So if this word comes from, if from comes, after this what number is written? So this only you will write first, and before that what number is there you will write second and you will do the subtraction. Okay, so if you are hard to find, easily you can find which is big and small, but without even doing your calculation which is big and small, if you see the word from, so what is given the next that you write first, and what is given before you write the second, and you can do the subtraction. Okay, let's do the calculation now. So this is the bigger number, so that we will write first. So 90,008, and here 46,527. So I am writing from the ones place. This is subtraction. I am writing minus. Now first one, ones place, 8 minus 7, 1. Next one, if you see, in minuend 0 is there, in subtrahend 2 is there. 0 is small, 2 is big. So from small to big you cannot minus. Some of the children, so there before I told, no, 8 was there, 0 was down. So if you minus, you will get the same number. So I wrote like this in the previous sum. But here you see 0 is on the top, 2 is down. So here you cannot minus. See, 0 was here small and this is big. So we are able to minus. It was in subtrahend place. 0 was in subtrahend place. But here 0 is in minuend place. Okay, if 0 is on the top, you cannot minus. If 0 is down, you can minus. Okay, it is easy. The same number only will be the answer. But here you have to be careful. Many of the children write again here 2. Here you cannot minus 2 from 0. So you have to borrow. And if you see here, when you borrow, you have to borrow from the left side. But here left side also there is no number. 0 is there. So since you cannot borrow here, again you will go here. Here also there is no number. So again you will go to the 10,000s place. So here only number is there. From here you have to borrow. So we have to borrow to the tens place. Since we have the number only in 10,000 place, between no numbers are there. So when you borrow, it will not come to the tens place. From 10,000s place, we cannot borrow to the tens place. What we can do, we can only give borrowing to the next right side digit, not after 2 digit or after 3 digit. Okay, so first he will give to the next right side digit. Again from there he will give to the next right side digit. Again from there he will give to the next right side digit. Like that it will come step by step only you can borrow. Okay, so here since we need here to borrow, so we will go to the 10,000s place. So from here you will get 1. So if you give 1, only 8 will remain, and that 1 comes here. No, so here already 0 is there. That 1 it comes here, so it will be 10. So from this 10 only we can give here to the hundreds place. So from 10 if you give 1, so here it will remain 9. And that 1 here already 0 is there, no? So 1 if it comes here it will be 10. So from this 10 only now we will borrow to the tens place. So if you borrow 1, so here it will be remain 9, and that 1 will come here and it will become 10. So now only you can minus. Okay, so you can borrow, you can give to the only next right side digit. Okay, you cannot give after 2 digit or 3 digit. Some of the children make mistake. They borrow from here and they write here. Okay, it will be a mistake. 10 minus 2, 8. Again 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. This is the answer. Okay, you have to be careful when 0 comes. Okay, then you will not make mistake. Okay, here from the exercise I am giving exercise 3.1, the fourth sum. Subtract the sum of 32,273 and 45,600 from 1 lakh. Here it is confusing one. Subtract means you have to minus, isn't it? Sum means you have to add. So you will be confused now whether they are asking you to subtract or whether they are asking you to add. So you will have a problem now. So always you remember subtract means you need only 2 numbers. But we have here 3 numbers. That means we have one addition here and one subtraction here. Okay, if they are asking to subtract, then they should give only the 2 numbers. Since there are 3 numbers and they have given the sum also and they are asking the subtract also. This both they are asking means they are asking you to find the sum. Again they are asking you to find the subtraction. And here also you have to see subtract and sum they are asking, no? So first is given subtract, so you will not do subtract. Always remember first you will do the sum. Always you do the addition first. The second one what is asked is they are asking sum, that is addition. So you will do the addition first, then you will do the subtraction. Now they are asking you to add. So add means which you need, there are 3 numbers. So which you will add? Whether you have to add 3 numbers? No, it is not like that. You have to subtract also. So here 1 number is for subtraction. Other 2s are for addition. So how to find? See, in addition the keyword is and. Sum of this and this. So and is there. So this is a keyword for addition. That means these 2 number you have to add. Again for subtraction the keyword is from. So if from is given means from this number you have to subtract. Okay, remember and is given. So this is a keyword for sum and this 2 keyword is for this, both together it should come, sum and. If this comes means between that 2 numbers are there, no? So these 2 you have to add. If from is given, from and subtract is given means that is for subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do the addition, no? So first we will add this 2, again you have to subtract. To subtract what we have to do? From is given. So I told after from what number is given, that you will write first. Then you write this sum what you have got, no? Addition answer. That you will write second and you will do the subtraction. Let's start the calculation. First let's find the sum of these 2 numbers. Okay, 3 plus 0, 3. See, 3 if you 0 if you add with any number or subtract from any number, the same number only is the answer. Okay, so 3 minus 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 6, 8, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 4, 7. So we have got the sum 77,873. This is the sum. And this sum you have to subtract from 1 lakh. So after from what number is given, that only you have to write first. Otherwise you have to find the bigger number. So 1 lakh and 77,000 which is bigger? 1 lakh only bigger. So that only you have to write first. So I am writing 1 lakh first. Then I am writing this sum. So that sum, see, always arrange in order. Here 1 lakh has 6 digits, but here we have 77,873 has only 5 digits. So you arrange from the right side so that you will not have any problem. Okay, this is subtraction, so write the minus symbol. This is addition, so we wrote the plus symbol. This is subtraction, so you will write the minus symbol. So if you minus here, you see only zeros are there. As like previous sum, you have to borrow from this 1 only. So from here if you borrow 1, here only 0 will remain and this 0 will become now 10. From here you will give to the next digit. So from here 1 if you give 9 will remain. That 1 comes here, it will be 10. So now from here if you give 1, 9 will remain and this 0 will become now 10. And from this 10, 1 if you give 9 will remain. And this 0 will become 10 and from this 10, 1 if you give 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10 now. So now we have got the number here 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 7, 2. And here 0 only is there, no more number to subtract. So only this is the answer, 22,127. This is the answer. This is the way how to do the calculation. Okay, other sums are easy only, but always you arrange them in columns and do. And it is subtraction, so remember that you write the bigger number first in all the sums. There are 6 sums are given, 1 I have done, so remaining 5 sums, always remember to write the big number first. Thank you.